I hope you will enjoy the PowerPoint I've prepared on natural resources. It shows you several examples that I think are quite powerful, and I just wanted to give a brief introduction. The thing you need to take away after viewing this PowerPoint is first, that population is really not growing. What's happening is people are living longer. In order to have a sustainable birth rate, you need a birth rate of 2.1 children for every woman. And very few places in the world have that now. In fact, there's a lot of places where there's population concerns. Even though population is growing because people are living longer, there is not a long-term population growth. You can look at Germany, Russia, many places where there's great concern about population. And that's why, in fact, Germany has entertained so many immigrants. Japan has serious population growth problems. So look at those slides and understand that population is not really growing other than in a few third world countries. Those are some interesting statistics you look at. The second point I really want you to learn from this PowerPoint presentation is that there's two ways to manage scarce and valuable natural resources. The first is the obvious way, is the government does it. But the second way that you don't want to overlook is private management of national resources. Look at the story I tell you of the elephants in Havasu Falls. You will see that private ownership desires to protect the natural resource because it's valuable to them. So there's two ways to manage natural resources. Look at the contrast between the wave managed by the National Forest Service and Havasu Falls managed by the Indian tribe. And the third thing, the point you need to learn, is the impact of supply and demand. When something is rare, prices go up. And when prices go up, you look for substitutes, you find alternatives, and you limit your use of something. And that's why we don't really run out of things. As the price goes up, we find substitutes and alternatives. That's what you'll see by the example looking at copper, which we thought we were going to run out of when they invented the telephone, and oil and gas, which we have thought we would run out of many times. And sometimes the price goes up and you yourself then buy less gas. Okay, so those are the three key points I want you to take away from the PowerPoint. Again, I hope you enjoy the video and see ways to apply that as you think about the world around you.